Thank you for joining us to discuss laser and enterprise solutions for emissions compliance. My name is Alan Vidal, and I am the Managing Director of Gazomat within the Ecotec Group of companies. The Ecotec Group provides field and enterprise solutions allowing for efficient and safe operations. Our solution suite includes portable and stationary field systems for detection, measurement, and data collection of methane, as well as enterprise platforms with an auditable and fully traceable data ecosystem across the Ecotec Group brands. Our methane detection and measurement technologies are focused on tunable diode laser absorption spectroscopy, which I'll refer to as TDL in this discussion. Our Inspectro laser is methane-specific without cross-gas effects from other VOCs. No field calibration adjustments are required, and as an optical technology, it doesn't flame out as experienced with FID. Unlike reactive sensors, such as semiconductor and thermal conductivity technologies, there is no sensor poisoning, and our laser technology doesn't drift due to environmental conditions. Our TDL technologies are currently used for regulatory monitoring where methane is the regulated gas. There are many requirements for natural gas monitoring under Quad OA where methane-specific could be applicable, especially when considering variations introduced when monitoring total VOCs with other technologies. Methane is the largest contributing component in natural gas. Using methane-specific analysis normalizes measurements on the gas component with the least amount of variation. The table shown displays gas component variation by the top three VOCs, methane, ethane, and propane. These samples are taken from the same point over the course of 8 consecutive days. The key takeaway from this table is that the average percent difference in readings of methane is less than 0.1%. This is far less than the uncertainty introduced by sensor variations, sensor and requirement accuracies, and compensation factors used in non-methane specific sensor technologies. As stated in the previous slide, our laser systems are currently used to meet regulatory requirements. The Inspectra Portable is used to meet EPA 40 CFR Part 60 Subpart WWW and the new Subpart XXX. Our GasPod stationary system is used in California to meet California Code of Regulations applicable to natural gas underground storage facilities for continuous monitoring of methane in air. We have other laser products including an open-path remote methane detector, a portable quantification solution, as well as vehicle or mobile systems that can be adapted to many vehicle types. There's more to compliance than routine monitoring with accurate and reliable field solutions. It's an end-to-end process including measurement, data collection, and reporting. Our integrated ecosystem provides proactive compliance systems for managing the notification, identification, and quantification of methane emissions from oil and gas assets. Throughout this process, all measurements are made using the same core TDL technology to remove variability in data. Proper evaluation and analysis of field data is required to understand what the information means in the context of compliance. A compliance engine acknowledges data subject to compliance, collects and stores the data, analyzes the data against compliance rules and constraints, defines the meaning of the information, and starts or continues a workflow of activities. These compliance activities can apply to external metrics such as federal, state, and local regulations, or internal metrics such as measured path to net zero. Our systems compliance engine is used for NSPS compliance on hundreds of sites throughout the United States and has been since 2001. This slide shows several examples of how the full ecosystem of field and enterprise solutions can be utilized for compliance purposes. These examples include fence line monitors and discrete point monitors for equipment and process systems. The enterprise platform provides analytics and visualization tools to help with the identification of emission events and sources. To summarize, the Ecotec approach is to first have accurate, stable, and repeatable measurements that can be verified against high-purity certified gas. Using methane-specific requirements can be applicable for leak and emission detection on natural gas assets, as methane is the highest contributing component in the gas with the least variation. Utilizing a common measurement technology, in our case TDL, for notification, identification, and quantification means we're using collimated data through the complete compliance process. Having seamless data collection and transmission allows field personnel to focus on correct monitoring, not on data collection. Secure data transmission and robust data warehousing ensure the data integrity. Finally, automated analysis for regulatory requirements provides efficient and consistent information for records, reporting, and remediation. Thank you.